Welcome. Today, we're debunking the common myth that you need a lot of money to start a business. First, identify what you love and what you're good at. Use your existing skills and passions as the foundation for your business idea. Next, conduct market research. Understanding your target audience and competition doesn't have to be expensive. Draft a simple business plan to guide your journey. It doesn't need to be elaborate, just clear and achievable. Take advantage of free resources available online, from tools to community services. They can be game changers. Focus on a minimum viable product. Launch with what you have and refine as you go. Build relationships in your community. Networking can help you gain support and resources without breaking the bank. Utilize social media and organic outreach for marketing. It's free and can reach a broad audience. Consider seeking volunteers or interns. They can help you without upfront costs, gaining experience in the process. Remember, perseverance is key. Take your first step today and embark on your entrepreneurial journey.